be tripping. Look, he got the stretch. He got everything in. Stretch. Where's the bag? Oh. About to bag his Grom. About to bag Joey's Grom. That boy CJ. Haven't seen that man in forever. Goddamn. Alright, guys. So we're about to get started on his Grom. We're gonna bag it. For real. For real. Stock Grom. Stay tuned. Joey got straight carbon everything. He got carbon. What are these levers? He got the damn carbon tips. He got all the parts. He better put the WCIs on there. You need to put them like right there. Oh, weed. That's funny as hell. He better put the damn crazy stickers on there. Imagine putting crazy stickers right there. That shit would be hilarious. Yeah, you got that damn. That shit beaming. He said it's hot. That motherfucker right in front of him. Is it hot too? I bet. But back to the parts list. Or parts pile. Oh, we got everything. He got everything from the exhaust down to the damn bag. Look, take that bag out. Sheesh. Sheesh. Bag set up. Bag set up. It's gonna be bag boys. Let's get it. We all bagged. Have you noticed that all of our friends are bagged? Have you noticed that shit?
Bag the world.
Bag the world. God, brand new. My shit was so dirty. My shit had muddy and shit in it.
I'm saying we're gonna work on it, and like the only thing's gonna get our hands dirty is the breathe. The only thing's gonna get us.
How many miles you got on this?
Like 40.
Like, hold on, before we do anything, I want to show him how many miles you got on this shit. Alright, so he got 116 miles on this thing. He's about to bag. He's about to do everything.
Right now.
Crazy as hell, bro. I just get it, man. Let's get it. We about to delete this right here. Alright, guys, so we took the exhaust off. He about to start it up right quick. Bro, he shot a plane.
No,
He shot a little flame. I'm so weak. Joey's actually working on that eliminator kit for the license plate while I'm taking the exhaust off, so we can take this plastic off and put the stretch on and all that stuff. So we're making progress. We're making progress. But he working hard. He working hard. Guys, I'll put you guys back up in a little bit, right? We'll try to get it all settled out. She's gonna be looking different. She's gonna be looking crazy. We'll see at the end. Damn, bro, you got the new exhaust on, boy.
You want to hear it? Viewers want to hear the exhaust.
They gonna have to hear the exhaust. Hold on.
Good?
I'll zoom into your face. Hold on. Alright, go. God, do the sound. Hit it. That thing loud, boy. That thing loud. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna start on this. We're gonna start on the bags. We gotta start on the bags. We're gonna die of carbon. What is it? Carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide? Something like that. Dang. Alright. Still missing some. It's still missing some. Round this out just because I guess since it's aftermarket, it doesn't want to go ahead and fit with the OEM bolt. We'll get it right though. We'll get it right. So we already put the tail light in. Sheesh. What Joey did. Joey put the tail light in. Exhaust is on. No.
What's up?
No, Joey. That was stretched.
Bag Grom on the way.
Bag Grom, 2021 Grom on the way. Oh, it's actually a 2020. The 2021, I ain't a big fan of them. They don't look as tough, bro.
They look like a fucking JDM.
I know. This shit crazy. Oh my god. Let's put this back setup on now. Well, I gotta put the chain on, then I'll put the back setup on. Alright guys, so we've actually taken the actual spring out, the stock OEM one. Now we gotta replace it with the bag. It's a process, guys. You gotta take all these covers off and stuff like that. You know I'm not very good at getting supporters or whatever. I'm just good at showing this shit. So technically what we had to do, we had to remove all the covers so we can get to the inside, so we can put the compressor in, all that good stuff. We took the coil out already. Now it's just putting everything back together with the airbag setup, and we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down. As soon as we're done with this, I'll pick you guys back up. I'll try to get it done today, guys. I'll try, but let's see what happens. All right, guys, we're back. It is currently the next day right now, and I didn't get to finish the vlog, so I actually wanted to finish it today. Joey actually finished putting the bag setup on by himself. You know, he kind of like did it. So you did it, bro. You want to tell him anything before I show him, bro? You don't tell him anything before I show him.
Finished everything in one day.
One day, bro. One. It took me two, but because I didn't know what I was doing. But one day. One day. You ready? Bag Grom for the win. Leave it down in the comments below what you guys think. Look at the look at the plate. Oh my god. Crazy. Is that carbon fiber I see? No. Oh, he did get new handlebars. You did get new handlebars, didn't you? Oh my god. Oh, this thing is loud. He did put an exhaust on it. Go ahead, Joey. Show him. We're actually gonna be in a show. When is March? No, March.
February 27th.
February 27th. I'm tripping. I'm thinking about another one.
Approved.
Both of us got approved. We're obviously gonna vlog on. We're gonna be vlogging like crazy. I got way more parts coming in for the Grom right now, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys. Leave it down in the comments below and tell me what you guys think about the Grom. Like, I want to know your feedback. Like, I want to know what type of videos you guys want to see, Q&As, tutorials, everything. Leave it down in the comments below. All right, guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.